Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. So this is my second video on India Yearbook 2020. Earlier I had made one video on the same topic, that is agriculture chapter number 4 from India Yearbook 2020. Okay, now as you can see there is marking over this. It is the first part. If you have missed it, please go on and check it out. Okay, now here is the second part. Now this video is very much helpful for the students who are preparing for civil services, for state civil services, okay, who has prelim, mains, then the students who are preparing for agriculture services, then students who are preparing for banking, other competitive exams. Near about many questions are asked from India Yearbook, and you can consider that it is a current data. It is uploaded by Government of India. Okay, so I am trying to explain you this book, and it is very hard for a beginner to understand how to read, how to go through this book. Okay, it takes near about 3 to 4 years to understand this book, how it should be read. Okay, so now without wasting our time, let's check out the topic of agriculture from India Yearbook 2020. But before that, I will like to request you, please subscribe my channel Crusader the Guardian, and also give comment in comment box, so that your comment will tell me whether I am going in a right direction or some improvement have to be done. And also it will motivate me to make more videos. Okay, and also give like to my video, share this video to all the students who are preparing for the current civil services or upcoming civil service exam. Okay, so now here is the Agriculture, Indian Council of Agriculture. Okay, now the name itself says ICAR. The short form of this is ICAR. Okay, so here is the short form. It is an autonomous organization under Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. As you might be aware that we have seen three departments, okay, under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Name of the ministry is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Now it is under that there are three departments. Out of that, one is DARE, which is related to research and education. So here also agriculture research is there. Formerly it was known as Imperial Council of Agriculture Research. So the question comes, which of the following is known as Imperial Council of Agriculture Research? Okay, and there might be the other three options, that DARE will be there in one of that, and one might be none of these. So you have to remember that Indian Council of Agriculture Research was earlier known as Imperial Council of Agriculture Research, and it was established on July 16, 1929 as a registered society under the Society Registration Act. This question also come. That Society Registration Act is of which year? It is of 1860. ICAR was established in this July 1929. Okay, headquarter obviously New Delhi, and it is coordinating, guiding and managing research and education. Name itself says agriculture research. So research and education in agriculture, including which of the sector? Horticulture, fisheries and animal sciences also. Not only agriculture, horticulture is also there, fisheries also there, and animal sciences is also there. With 101 ICAR institute all over the country, 101 ICAR institute and 71 agricultural universities, okay, spread across the countries. This is one of the largest national agriculture system in the world. Okay, now it plays major important role in green revolution and subsequent development in production and research and education. Okay, its research and technology development has enabled the government to increase the production. Due to their research work, the production of food grains were increased by 5.4 times. Horticultural crops, it was grown by 10.1 times, fish 15.2 times, and milk 9.7 times, and eggs 48.1 times since 1951 to 2017. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is soil and water productivity. So now this long form, short form is there, and again remind, I am trying to remind you that in the exam generally short forms are written, so students are not aware about that from where this word came. Okay, I have gone through so many current affair question, but it was not there how it came here. So NBSS and LUP, that is National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning. Okay, so the short form of National and Bureau, B Soil, S Survey, double second S, and Land Use Planning, LUP. Okay, so it developed NBSS Bhumi Geo Portal. Now it is a website. Portal means geographical portal. Okay, to access various thematic information. Now thematic means map. Okay, colorful map. Okay, information on major physiographic region, sub physiographic region, agroecological regions in 1992, and agroecological regions of 2015. Okay, so it is, which is the main question is, which of the organization, or what we say, which of the following is related to giving thematic information on major physiographic region or sub physiographic region, agriculture agroecological region of 1992, agri-ecological region of 2015. So it is a portal, geo portal, geographical portal. Okay, NBSS Bhumi. Okay, so NBSS stand for National Bureau of Soil Survey. Okay, Bhumi, that is. So that is what it is. It delineated crop sequences on the basis of soil, landform, rainfall, temperature accordingly. तो जो पानी है ज़मीन किस तरह सी है, how is the rain there, and how much for long period that crop is grown, that is all mentioned there. Okay, so coming to the next point, chalo next. So genetic resources major exploration was taken and 1532 germplasm accessories were taken. Okay, yeah. 1532 germplasm accession were collected comprising 130. Okay, wild accessory. Okay, so the population of this is the important, the population of Momordica cochinchinasis collected from the Middle Andaman Nicobar Island. Middle Andaman, that is out of the Andaman Island. Which Andaman Island? It is Middle Andaman. Was described a new species. Okay, subspecies of Momordica cochinchinasis, subspecies Andamanica. So Andamanica has been the new subspecies. It has been the new subspecies has been found. So it is very important. Okay, so already we are not aware, but there are many. So which was subsequently validated through DNA barcoding. So what is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, which is found in the nucleolus of the nucleus of a cell. Okay, so that is, this is very important. It may come in exam. Which of the new species has been discovered? चार ऑप्शन दे दिए जाएंगे. Okay, or the species Momordica cochinchinasis, okay, have been found at which place? Then option will be in Kerala, or in Andaman, in Nicobar, or in Lakshadweep, in West Bengal. Okay, and that way it may be there. So it is found in Middle Andaman Island. Okay, then crop improvement. This is important for agriculture students. So biotic and abiotic stresses with 209 varieties. 209 varieties were developed. 117 high yielding varieties, hybrid of cereals, comprising 65 of rice, 14 of wheat. शुक्र है यहाँ पे नाम नहीं दिया है, वरना अगर आप एग्रीकल्चर एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो या अपने स्टेट लेवल की कोई एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू सर्च दोज नेम्स. ओके, whether you are going for APPSC, for MPSC, for GPSC or for BPSC, अगर आपके स्टेट्स में मिला होगा तो यू हैव टू डेफिनेटली गो फॉर विच इज़ दैट वेराइटी ऑफ राइस आपके स्टेट से निकली हुई, बस उतना ही ध्यान रखना आपको. ओके, सब नहीं. देन 24 ऑफ मेज, 5 ऑफ फिंगर मिलेट, 3 ऑफ पर्ल मिलेट, 1 ईच ऑफ sorghum, barley, foxtail millet, kodo millet, little millet and porso millet. Okay, so this 28 high yielding varieties of oilseeds, 32 of pulses 32, 24 of commercial crops, and 8 of forage crops were released in cultivation of different agroecologies. So this is important for the students who are going for agriculture exams, for forest exams. सिविल सर्विस का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. ओके, देन ये इसके लिए आई विल प्रिपेयर अ सेपरेट वीडियो. इट इज़ नॉट मच सफिशिएंट, दिस मच इज इट इज़ गिवन. सो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, डेयरी, फिशरीज, यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ इतना ही कर सकते हो अभी का कि आपको कुछ ब्रीड्स पता होने चाहिए. दैट विच आर द फॉलोइंग ब्रीड्स. द बफेलो इम्प्रूवमेंट. ओके, तो ये कहाँ कहाँ है. NLI रवि. So it is related to buffalo. Nilai Ravi, Bhadwari and swamp breeds. These breeds are related to buffalo. Okay. Then Jafrabadi, Pandharpuri and Surti breed centers. And now here also it is related to buffalo, Jafrabadi. Then coming to the next, crop management, nothing important. Animal husbandry, dairy and fisheries. No. India's vast resources. Nothing. There are about 300 million. There are about 300 million bovines. 300 million bovines. 65.07 million sheeps. 135.2 million goats. 10.3 million pigs as per 19th livestock census. So this was the livestock census, 19th livestock census, and livestock census is done after every 4 years. Okay, that is important for you. Livestock census. तो यहाँ पे ये आ सकता है सवाल in decreasing order. So bovine as number 1, sheep as bovine at number 1, goats at number 2, then sheep at number 3, and what we say pigs at number 4. So in decreasing order, here I can say so firstly bovines in decreasing, then come goats, then came sheep, and lastly the pigs. Okay. Then livestock production, according to the estimate of the Central Statistics Office. This is Central Statistic Office. So Central Statistics Office. The value of output livestock at current price is rupees 5,91,691 crore during 2015-16. That is about 28% of value output. Okay. Let it be. Milk production. Here the per capita availability of the milk, important. Per capita availability of milk was around 375 grams per day in 2017-18. इसका मतलब ये होता है during 2017-18 per capita availability था, इतना था, हर बंदे के लिए था, कितना 375 ग्राम, which is very low. Okay. So then coming to the egg production. So the per capita availability was around 74 eggs per annum. एक साल में एक बंदे के लिए 74 eggs बने, इतनी उपलब्धता है. Okay. Then wool production. So it shows negative growth. इतना ही important है क्योंकि आप इतने जो फिगर से वो ध्यान में नहीं रख सकते, मैं भी नहीं रख सकता. Okay, the meat production registered a healthy growth. It registered healthy growth. Wool production registered negative growth. Then the fisheries. Okay, not वो develop ही होना है. Then National Livestock Mission. Okay, livestock mission. So dairy, poultry sector across the species. It was launched in 2014-15 with approved. So when it was launched with 2014-15 during 12th plan with the objective. Okay, it includes, बस ये इतना ही important है, it was launched in 2014-15 during 12th plan. ओके, बाकी अंदर मत जाइए. So the Drugs Controller General of India regulates the quality of veterinary drugs and biologicals, right? Okay, who controls the quality of veterinary drugs? So it is Drug Controller General of India. Then livestock census, it was conducted, as I told you, first during 1920, okay, 1919, 1920. Since then it has been constituted every, it should be mentioned that every 4 year. It is not that, it is the only source which give disaggregated forms. The 20th livestock census was conducted in 2019. उसका डाटा अभी तक क्या आना बाकी है. Okay, it is important. Which livestock census was conducted in 2019? So it is 28th. Okay, and इस तरह से how many, after how many years this livestock is conducted? It is conducted after every 4 years. Then Indian fisheries, we rank second in the production and second largest aquaculture nation. Okay, so second largest aquaculture nation also. We rank second largest fruit production producing. Okay, second largest aquaculture nation in the world. India is also major producer of fish through aquaculture and ranks second after China. Okay, also aquaculture, okay, through aquaculture and ranks second after China. So is there something? Nothing. Fisher Farmers Development, FFDA agency was set up in various districts for delivering package of technologies, practices, training and extension, and for providing financial assistance to the beneficiaries. Okay, so the agency, it is Fish Farmers Development Agency. That is what important only here, and that ends our topic agriculture now. So hope I tried to explain, I am trying to explain each and every topic of India yearbook. I know for a new beginner it is very difficult to understand, and I bet नया नया जो 2-3 साल, if you have invested 3 years also, then also you will not dare to touch this book. Okay, so average student, I'm average student की बात कर रहा हूँ. So this was all about the agriculture. So from India yearbook 2020, if you like it, please give like, please put comment, do comment in comment box, tell me in what way you want. Okay, because the time is less, and at any time the civil service, what we say, UPSC commission may declare the exam. So now you have a time little bit to go through it, so you can take the updates what is necessary, and I am trying to put it in question answer form. So again I am repeating, please give like, please put comment or do comment in comment box. Your comment will motivate me, your likes will motivate me. Just give, views will not be sufficient, I want some likes also. And also share this video with your friends. Okay, and if you have not subscribed my channel Crusader Guardian, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.